GMT in a real sense rose 36.35% in 7 days, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bull control GMT's fundamentally current cost activities in a really significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STPN by and large is drifting at $346,717,663, which all things considered is very huge. Current STPN cost especially is $0.29 for October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through STPN cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, especially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters is especially transient cost expectation for STPN. In a real sense is GMT an especially wise speculation, which sort of is very critical. STPN support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the GMT specialized examination, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they certainly thought. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,089,351,604,007, or so they for the most part thought. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,442,584,216, showing how current STPN cost most certainly is $0.29 for October 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through STPN cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for STPN, sort of is GMT, an especially wise interest in a for the most part significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. Which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,738.63 level after a vertical development of 1.56%. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value decline of 0.28%, coming to $1,646.63 during the past 24 hours in a sort of enormous manner. While distributing this block, BNB exchanged at $213.46, following a value change of 0.18% inside a similar time span, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.46, following a value change of 0.18% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is up by 4.07 and presently exchanging at 53 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a very descending course, for in every practical sense, present moment, showing how XRP, the all things considered, local coin of XRP by and large is up by 4.07 and right now exchanging at 53 cents. Which truly is genuinely huge. As of now, a kind of broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense is very critical. STPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become all things considered, all the more lovely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 4.07 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors basically become move pretty dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that as of now, a fundamentally broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of STPN, GMT, STPN execution. The cost of STPN, GMT, truly is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week in a really significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while extremely absolute market cap came to 319,776,041 United States dollars, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. There truly are very nearly 1,104,192,453 especially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, exhibiting how bull control GMT's ongoing cost activities in an unpretentious manner. STPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 04 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, so following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of STPN, GMT, STPN execution. The cost of STPN, GMT, certainly is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters. Has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week in a for the most part enormous manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the STPN. Exhibiting how we utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to explicitly examine the future development of the STPN, which most certainly is very critical. The truly relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 37, exhibiting that as of now, and in every practical sense, general essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. While GMT's Williams %R marker basically is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign generally is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while by and large all out, market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line most certainly is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, showing how as of now, a general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is very huge. STPN financial backers need to sort of hang